less than 10 minutes that completely reboots your voice for the entire day. It's the Daily Drill. Let's go. Welcome to the Voice Gym. I'm playing with that name. It's not certain. Spasmodic Dysphonia exercises. We've got a whole new thing. This is called the Attack. It is custom based on several of different exercises that we have done. We're going to start with a warm-up, and it is inspired by this. So, we're going to do those 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job. Now we're going to modify based on this. 1. We're going to do 8. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Last of these. Now we're going to do a little tongue tension relaxation. Shh. Shh. Oh, what's that? Go.
All right, so now match my pitch, curling back that tongue. Say, ooh.
Okay, now we're going to do 8 of these. A lot of people are very confused by the tongue curled back thing. Say the word no. No. So when you are beginning to say that, what your tongue does is naturally touch the top of your roof of your mouth. So you're going to do it purposely. You're going to hold your tongue in that position as we do these exercises. We begin. Tongue held there. This releases tongue tension. Ooh. Yeah? We're going to do 8 of these. Ooh. That's 2. Ooh. 3. You should have your tongue held up to the roof of your mouth. This should be sounding and feeling like it's up here because your tongue is up. It's kind of forcing it up there into head voice. 3. Ooh. 4. Ooh. 5. Ooh. 6. Ooh. 7. Ooh. 8. Ooh. Nice job. Now we're going to go on to Roger Love exercises inspired by these.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Remember to breathe in through your nose and fill up your tummy with air.
Now, here's the thing with these. I don't have a piano in here to be able to play the scales, so we're going to have to play the scales off of how many times we've done different daily drill exercises. Remember the nay exercises. We did scales there. Didn't have a piano with that either. So we're going to do the googs without the piano. We're just going to feel it. We begin. We're going to do 10. Goog, 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 goog. 1. Goog, 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 goog. 2. Goog, 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 goog. 3. Goog, 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 goog. 4. Something's missing. Check, check. Ah. Goog, 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 goog. 5. Goog, 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 goog. 6. Goog, 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 goog. 7. Goog, 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 goog. 8. 2 more. Goog, 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 goog. 9. Goog, 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 goog. 10. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting close. Do you feel it? Do you feel your voice already? I'm sensing it. I'm sensing I've attacked it. I'm sensing my voice is going, what the hell's happening? What is happening here? But this doesn't happen. We are shocking the system. So we're going to move on to we. So what you're going to do is you're going to start. Well, you know what? He explains it better.
Yeah, when you say ooh, like on the ooh, there's this vibration on your lips and on the end of your nose. It's sort of this whooshing feeling with the sound. Do it again. Say ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay. So flare your nostrils. Wee. We're going to do 10 of these, but we're going to do 3 wees. Wee. 1. You should feel it definitely in here. If you have this device, you should be feeling some buzzing happening in here, sending positive messages of neuroplasticity. We're going to do 2. Wee. 3. Wee. 4. Wee. 5. Wee. 6. Wee. 7. Wee. 8. Wee. 9. Wee. 10. Nice. I'm not going to work it too hard. It's the very first day. So we're going to close out with tongue out lip rolls inspired by this.
Back to that tongue out variation of lip rolls. Go. Go.
Okay, so 5 and 5 to close out. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Alter it. 1. 2. 3. 4. Last of the day. Making me sweat. We attacked. So now check your voice. You got a little bit less tension, a little bit ready to go. Is it really actually kind of fully recovered? Just a touch. That's what we do with attack. This is not a permanent fix. This is a quick fix. But when you do it more often, then the quick fix all of a sudden becomes the permanent fix. So what did we learn today? We learned attacking the vocals. Attacking, shocking them, gets them out of their habit, out of their spasmodic dysphonia habit. And we learned there's new exercises. And we learned to hit like and subscribe. We're back. We're back next time. See you in a day or two.